Today, busy.
Yeah.
And I want to start with this.
Right,
Severe thunderstorm watch in effect. So here's the thing. Metroplex is included everywhere to the west, up to the Red River included until 10 o'clock. Still monitoring this thunderstorm in Wise County. This is our UNT Denton Tower Cam, but it's looking west at some heavy rain and some hail falling in Wise County right now. As we take a look at radar, we have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings in North Texas. The first one is in Wise County, and there's that storm there. Alvord seeing some pretty good hail up to the size of quarters, maybe a little bit larger in some areas here in Wise County. That thunderstorm moving to the northeast. Here's the track of that one. If it maintains its strength and intensity, we'll see some hail move into the Munster area sometime around 5:54. Myra a little bit after that. So they're slow moving. They're not moving very quickly. We have this thunderstorm southwest of Gainesville, west of Valley View. Some hail for this one. It's severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds up to 60, some large hail up to the size of quarters. That again moving toward Gainesville. It'll be there around 5:15 or so. So we'll keep an eye on this one as well. Those are the 2 warnings in effect now. We look to the west. That way. We see this is my west, that's the west on the map. You see these thunderstorms starting to pop up to the west of the Metroplex, even farther to the west. As we go through the next few hours, more of these will start to pop up. And the thing is with these models, none of them are great, but you get an idea of where the thunderstorms could be, especially in a more of a west to east area. So for instance, 7 o'clock, around this area from Decatur, Granbury, anywhere in between here, could have a thunderstorm pop up. Hail, damaging winds would be a concern into the Metroplex. Remember, the severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 10 p.m. So we'll have at least the chance to see severe weather until then. Some thunderstorms down to the south. Watch how, look at that. By 11 o'clock, they're gone. So once we lose the heat of the day, the instability will start to come down a little bit. It's very high right now. So any storms that pop up become severe very quickly. Tomorrow, we have another risk of severe weather. It's a level 2 slight risk for the western half of the Metroplex and then farther west, a level 1 marginal for the rest of North Texas. Quarter-size hail, maybe up to golf balls, damaging winds up to 60 miles an hour. Like today, the morning is extremely quiet. Look what happens in the afternoon. This is 3 p.m. Nothing's going on, right? And then we advance it to 4 o'clock. 5, you start to see thunderstorms becoming more numerous. There's a dry line out to the west. This model's not going to tell you exactly where the thunderstorms are going to pop up. I will tell you it will be somewhere along the dry line that's set up out to the west, and eventually those storms will start to shift farther to the east, and that's why you have that level 2 slight risk in place for Tarrant County, Denton County, and off to the west. Large hail, quarter to golf ball, damaging wind gust up to 60. That will continue through the evening, that potential at least. There's 9 o'clock. You see how the intensity really starts to come down quite a bit Saturday evening. Again, you lose the heat of the day, you lose the instability. The thunderstorms will start to collapse a little bit. By 1 o'clock in the morning, we're quiet. So we're not expecting a stormy overnight. And guess what? Yet again on Sunday, so it just continues. Another risk of severe weather on Sunday, a level 1 marginal. About the western half of North Texas and the southern half too. So you have Dallas and Fort Worth to the south, Metroplex to the west. Hail, some damaging wind gusts are possible. Late afternoon into the evening, yet again, some more thunderstorms will fire up off to the west of the Metroplex and try to shift into North Texas into the evening. Some of those with some hail and wind. So tonight, we'll see that, 70 degrees the low. Isolated thunderstorms, some hail, some wind expected. We're already seeing that in these thunderstorms. Tomorrow, 92, some severe hail and wind possible again. There's the next 10 days. See, we have those daily chances continuing for some showers and storms through Mother's Day weekend. Mother's Day weekend won't be a washout, and temps really do start to get a little better. Today was hot. We were in the middle 90s today. We had humidity that was sky high. We had heat index values in the triple digits.
I was sweating out there. It did feel like Houston.
It does feel like, yeah, it's air you can wear.
You're sweating in here.
I'm always sweating in here. Is Cynthia working tonight? She must be.
Is that what happens?
No, it's a joke. Yeah, well, I don't know, maybe.
All right, Jesse. You know, as you saw on Jesse's 10-day forecast there, we do have several chances of rain, so make sure you have the WFAA app downloaded on your phone. That way, if a storm pops up near you, you can track it with live radar wherever you are.